HTML simply means hypertext markup language. It is the language used to code web pages to see when you visit the website. HTML is not a programming language, but a markup language. A markup language uses tags to identify content. Document can be compared of a sandwich. As a sandwich has two slices of bread, the HTML document has the opening tag and the closing tag. These tags, like bread in a sandwich, surrounds everything else. The modern day HTML document is called HTML5. When writing an HTML5 document, one of the new features that you notice is the doc type declaration. This is not a tag, but a declaration informing the browser that the code is an HTML5 document. After the doc declaration, you have the opening and the closing tag HTML. Immediately following the opening HTML tag, you find the head of the document, which is defined by opening and closing head tag. This is how it's like. The head tag of an HTML file contains all of the non-visual elements that helps make the page work. Immediately after closing tag of the head is the body tag. This body tag contains all the visual elements: heading, padding, paragraph, links, images, quotes, and lots more. An HTML element is written using a start tag and an end tag with the content in between. Some HTML elements do not have end tags since the written content cannot go into this tag. They only have a start tag. Examples of this tag are line break with the B arrow, the image tag with the IMG, horizontal line with the H arrow tag, as you can see here. HTML attributes provide additional information about an element or tag while also modifying them. Most attributes have a value. The value modifies the attribute. Example, like this paragraph is being aligned to the center. This text is aligned to the center. You can see if we should apply the line break tag to this line. After the line, you put B arrow. You see that it is being aligned to the center. Aligned to the right, not to the center. This center, in this example, the value of center here, the value of right here rather, indicates that this element should be written to the center, should be adjusted to the center. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Now the image tag. The image tag is used to insert an image. It contains only attributes and does not have a closing tag. For example, look at it here. The image address can be defined using the S arrow attribute. This is the S arrow attribute. While AL attribute specifies the alternate text for an image. It is used to describe the image in case the image cannot be displayed. Other attributes include the width, height, border, etc. For example, let us make a practical example here. This is the I saved a file here. So looking at, see, I saved an image with this name, this address, alogin.jpg. So to that particular image, I'll type in the address here. And as you can see, the image has been inserted. So this is how to insert an image. This alternate text, as you see, this ALT attribute is to describe the image. I can say login, login. For example, if there's a bad network or I have a bad address, I did not correctly insert the address to the image, I'll be having something like this. If the text has been written instead of the image to appear. Other image attributes includes the width, height, border, as I've said earlier. So we include the width. Give a width of 200 pixels and the height 300 pixels and the border of 20 pixels. You see our image is here, but the thing is not shown because I erased the address. I need to type it correctly. So I'll go to the address now, type in the correct thing.jpg. You see now our image is now showing. If you observe, the width is different. You can also add a image, a border color, and so on. That will be in our CSS list. Now, next on our list is the HTML list. There are two major types of HTML list: the ordered and the unordered list. An ordered list starts with the OL tag, and each list item is defined by the L tag. For example, make an unordered list of colors. This is how we do it. To add more list item, we just repeatedly put the li tag. So here we go. This is the ordered list. Now for the ordered list, just have to include the erase from the tag and put U. That is on ordered list. You see it is being numbered and marked with a bullet. And there are other types of ordered list and unordered list. You can put here just type square. As you can see, the bullet is no more round but a squared bullet. Similarly to ordered list. Side, make it in Roman numerals, uppercase or lowercase, and so on and so forth. Next on our list, the anchor tag. The anchor tag are used to define a link. Links are integral part of every web pages. You can add links to text, images that will allow users to click on them in order to be redirected to another file. Use the href attributes to define the link destination. For example, we add the anchor tag here with the href. Then we go to an int to another file called index.html. We say here. See here, you will see this here. It is a link. If I click on it, it takes me to another page altogether. Now this is how HTML is being used. I hope you enjoyed this video at this point. See you in my next video.